everybody, I'm Sue, and I have some breaking news. We've collected loads of information on rocks, and we've discovered that there are 3 types. Things that are in our buildings, under our feet, in our cars. Not really, because cars are metal, but that's okay. We have 3 different types of rocks. We have igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. They can change simultaneously between each other with different cycles. The 3 cycles are heat, erosion, and pressure. These cycles can happen between each rock, and each rock can turn into another rock. So igneous can always turn into metamorphic, or sedimentary can always turn into metamorphic, or metamorphic can always turn into igneous. It can always happen each way. It's pretty cool. This is such an important discovery because we now understand how the building blocks in our industrial success are formed. And now we'll be having a little break. Stay tuned for human deforestation impact on our Earth. This is your daily reminder to water your plants. Sprint, sprints, and don't forget to eat healthy. Hello everybody, it's Sue again. And yet again, I have breaking news. Trees all over the world are being cut down. Millions of trees are cut down every year. This is called deforestation. And soon, there might not be enough trees to supply oxygen for us to live. Not only will we be on short supply of oxygen, but we're cutting down animal habitats too. Animals will be extinct, and there won't be any trees left. These are both large components of the carbon cycle. The human population is growing, encouraging the building of houses and fires. We use wood to fuel fires and to keep us warm, and also to build houses. This encourages deforestation. In North Pacific America, this is a huge problem. The West Coast is the most populated area of the United States. Loads of trees are cut down every year to house the population. That part of the United States is very industrial, and the air is very polluted. There's too much carbon dioxide. Ways we could help fix this problem by altering our everyday activities are turning off the lights when we're not using them, turning off our air conditioners when we're not using them, and trying to walk more than using our cars to prevent exhaust fumes from polluting the air. As you can see, this is a big problem, and we need to fix this because the carbon cycle is really important and the air is getting polluted very quickly. As y'all know, I'm Sue. Stay tuned for our next update. Hey guys, it's Sue again, and I'm going to be informing you on something very important now. No more breaking news because we're past that. Engineers have come up with many ways to maintain biodiversity and preserve the ecosystems in the ocean. Why is this so important? The ocean takes up 71% of our Earth, and it's not fair of us to kill off its ecosystems. Plus, almost 50% of the world consumes fish, and if we kill them off, we could be cutting off the food supply for almost half of our population. So, engineers have come up with 2 life-saving solutions: the ocean cleanup and fisheries. Fisheries are enclosures used to collect fish for breeding, increasing the fish population, preventing endangerment, and increasing biodiversity. When enough fish have been bred, they are released into the ocean, replenishing the fish population. In the Pacific, there's a huge garbage patch, estimated to be over 700 square kilometers. Engineers have begun their design solutions to initiate the ocean cleanup. The beginning solution are the open cleanup arrays, a floating network of barriers that consume and recycle waste. The barriers are situated all around the garbage patch, consuming all the waste throughout time. Engineers and NGOs hope that soon all of the waste and garbage in those garbage patches will be recycled. And now I, Sue, have informed you on 3 environmental issues. Stay tuned for another one. Breaking news is coming at you with Sue. Hello and welcome back. I'm Sue and I have some breaking news for you. The dramatic effect of humans on our atmosphere. This might be the biggest and hardest problem: pollution. Thousands of factories, cars, and lights all contribute to this problem. These things produce greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Greenhouse gases trap heat transferred from the sun into our atmosphere, like a cocoon. Because the heat is unable to escape, it's heating up our entire Earth. This is causing ice across the globe to melt, elevating sea levels. Islands are slowly disappearing, and coastal areas will soon be covered as well. This is one of the biggest problems our Earth has ever faced, and engineers are still trying to come up with a substantial solution. A solution that will help this problem is solar energy. This energy comes from the sun and does not contribute to global warming. Electronically powered items require the generation of electricity, burning fossil fuels, and emitting carbon dioxide. Solar energy does not require fossil fuel emission. It only requires the sun's energy, in which our supplies is practically infinite. Well, until the sun dies. But then we'll be dead too, so it doesn't really matter. And those are your 4 informative little pieces of news all about environmental issues from yours truly, Sue. I had such a great time. I'm so happy that you can have me. Oh, I just love being so sciencey. It's just so nice. But thanks. Sue signing off.